Hello and welcome to RC Birds, and thanks for stopping by. In my last video I built up the shocks and the motor, and now it's time to do further upgrades. And in this video we do the wheel connectors, the pumpkins, which have separate ball bearings, which I find very good, the steering knuckles, the steering itself, and the servo. And as you can see, in the meantime I had put on these little bushings, which are really annoying, but I find out, see here on the linkage I did it too. I find out a method which was quite easy. Now these brass bushings have two different sizes of diameters. This is a small one, this is a big one, and if you put an O-ring on the table and push down the small side, you can easily put on the O-ring on this brass thing. And then you turn it around on the big side, use some pliers and strip down the O-ring to the underside. Then you put on one of the linkages, and the last ring fits very easy on when the linkage is put in. The upgrades take more time than I thought, so I stripped the videos down to 3, and I will bring out some of the videos beside the schedule on Wednesdays. And to get it right, the last video will be the presentation of the car after everything is put on, and for this I go in the garden and drive the car outside. One thing I have forgotten: in this video we start to screw metal and metal, and in the next video too. So I use the thread lock gel from Tamiya, which is very good, and I hope I can unscrew it if I have to, but still I don't hope that it ever has to be done. So all the work is done. That's all for the moment. We have the new pumpkins, the wheel connector with a little bit offset. Same on the front, the steering linkages. This linkage is put in here at the servo side. Not more. The rest will come with the other links in the next video. The adjustment will be done after I put on the wheels. And until now, I'm fine with the result. So if you got some ideas or input, please let me know in the comments. If you got some questions, you can also leave it in the comments. And I really appreciate if you subscribe to my channel. This will really help me out. See you soon on AC Birds.